Hey, how you doing? I hope you're well. Now, the last time I parked here was about 18 months ago. If anyone remembers, some of my older subscribers, I parked right here and I abandoned. I went home early, it got dark and I don't know, I felt a wee bit spooked, to be fair. So I went away early, so I've came back here to try and see if I can make it through the night. Feels a bit better today. There was a weird thing going on that last time I was here, so we'll set up camp. There's a wee campfire here, wee campfire there that's already been built. Aye, so I'll get a wee fire going in there tonight. I'm going to cook my meat on there and I'm going to make my eggs in the van. I made my mistake. I learnt by my mistakes. So last time I made an absolute mess of my eggs. Oh, it's cold. It's a lot colder here than it was on the coast, I'll tell you. I found a cracking wee spot just down here. It's right by a wee river, but I doubt I'll get the van in. Be touch and go, I think. But no, I'm happy enough here. Just wait a wee minute, Teddy boy. Wait a wee minute. Aye, we're on a wee bit of a slope. But nah, I'm not going to level it, it'll be fine. Aye, maybe I will. That's better. Oh, it's so good. Can't believe how cold it is. Let's get the old wellies on. Wait a minute, Teddy boy. Wait the new. Okay. Ah, that's better. The door's staying open now. Right, so I said earlier, I've been here before, about 18 months or so ago. And something just spooked me through the night. Well, it wasn't even through the night, it was about 7 o'clock at night. And I just didn't feel right, and I left early. I felt like there was something going on in those woods over there. Just me being paranoid. But aye, we'll get a wee fire on. Get a diesel heater on because it is cold. Don't even know if I've got any gloves, to be fair. I'm going to find something. Right, let's see if we can do a better job of cooking my dinner this week. Last time I made a right arse of it. So I'm going to do my sausages outside and my scrambled eggs inside. I know it's a bit counterproductive, but hey, we're cooking outside, that's what it's all about, it's just a bit of fun. I don't know if I mentioned it, but it's kind of cold. Right, we'll let that butter melt on there. There we go. So today we've got some nice links from the butchers. Link sausages from the butchers. I'll fling about 3 in there, I think. Because I like odd numbers, I don't know if I've mentioned that before. Aye, let's get 3 in there. Oh, they're tasty when they're joined together. Oh, they're all joined together. 1 minute. 1 minute. Right, let's get the bad boys in there. Oh, got a wee runny nose. Nice knob of Kerrygold butter in there. And they're sizzling away already. Lovely jubbly. Aye, so I wasn't joking when I said it was getting cold. Ooh, aye. I'm going to take a wee while to cook. I don't know if my fire's hot enough, but it's as hot as I can get it. It'll be fine. I'm in no rush to cook my sausages. You can't beat cooking outside, as long as you don't end up with food poisoning, I suppose. Come on, sizzle. Start sizzling. Aye. I don't know what spooked me the last time I was here, but it seems alright today. Maybe it was because it was the summer. I don't know. Well, was it the summer? It was maybe late summer, I think it was, when I was here last time. Last year. But aye, it's a good wee spot. Hey, good boy. Hey, good boy. Oh, we're cooking now. Took the frying pan away because it just wasn't getting hot enough. That's looking better. That's looking better. Aye, it's better. Good boy. It's a good boy. Sit down. Sit down. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, these sausages are looking good now, aye. Moon's out. I'll just check it's not a full moon. Aye, starting to get somewhere now. Oh, no, don't go in there. Get them over there. Get them over the heat. There we go. Right, need to get another wee bit of wood on there. Sausages look a bit done, to be honest. Right, we'll set them there. Oh, I don't know if that's going to come back. Might. Should be hot enough. Right, I'm going to nip inside, get my eggs fired up. Oh! I've lost the sausage. Dang it. It'll be fine. I'm not doing another one. Aye, they look well. They look well cooked. Right, let's get the eggs on. Well, again, the eggs aren't that pretty. But they taste okay. Sausages are good. Anyway. Still's a hole. It's another wee camp up where there's no internet, there's no 4G, there's no phone signal. It's just a wee satellite icon. So it's good. It's good to be switched off. It's good to be switched off from it all. Even if it's just for, well, it's less than 24 hours, I suppose, isn't it? But aye, I mean, I don't know if you go out camping yourself. I don't know, what would you call this camping? I suppose it's van camping. It's not hardcore camping in a tent, I suppose, but it's as close as I'm going to get to camping, I suppose. But it's very therapeutic. When you're tattooing, it's not so much tattooing, like if when you're dealing with people day in, day out. I'm a very introverted person, and this is just therapy for me. And I suppose it's the same for a lot of people. Being out here yourself, it's just, you can't beat it. You just can't beat it. And I'm okay, it's cold, it's quite exposed here, but it beats sitting in the house. Not that I'm idle when I'm at home. I've got things to do, I've got drawings to do, I'm learning, how to edit a bit better, but then you're sat on YouTube, aren't you? Sat on YouTube watching videos, and I think as long as they're educational, then I don't see any harm in it. It's just when you watch mind-numbing shit. I mean, Susan, she watches a lot of TikTok and she doom scrolls, but that's her form of entertainment, I suppose. I did try TikTok. In fact, I do have a TikTok actually for the channel, but I've not posted anything on it for ages. Anyway, I'm going away off on a tangent here. I don't know if you can see me, but I'm sure you can hear me. Aye, this is, it's not the nicest of spots. I mean, it's obviously been deforested. They've chopped all the trees down a few years ago, but still, you're out and fresh air, good for the soul. I meant to say earlier, it's the last day of November, and I remember when I was making my eggs, there's a wee Scotland flag on there. You can see the Scotland flag, which means it's St Andrew's Day today. So to all you Scottish people out there, happy St Andrew's Day. Watch Teddy boy. Watch yourself. What's your new? Where are you going? Yeah. What's that rubbish? What have you been chewing? Ted's been chewing something. And he's been in the van himself. Camera's trying to focus on my face. I don't know what that is. It's a wee bit of rubbery something. It's been up to no good. Right. What have you been chewing, boy? I feel like I should know what that is. Is it my steering wheel? He's not normally a chewer. So I don't know what that is, Ted. I don't know what you've found. Right. Plan now is get a wee bit of dark chocolate. I'm still on the 1 meal a day. I feel good for it. I do. I've lost a wee bit of weight. I've lost about half a stone probably. But that's not the real reason. That's not the main reason for me doing this. It's just to give my digestive system a break, I suppose. But I'll do it for maybe another month or so, see how we do. Aye. Wee bit of dark chocolate. I've only managed to get 70%, so it's better than nothing, and it's better than milk chocolate. So, I'll just show you what the clown is doing. I think my dog is broken. Any wee shadow, Ted's all over it. Ted, wait. See the wee shadow there? Dog's a lunatic. It's your tongue, you dafty. I'm going to have to take this off, these aluminium strips, because he winds himself up with the reflections. Anyway, where were we? Aye, so a wee bit of dark chocolate. I've got some stuff downloaded onto my iPad to watch. I watched that. I've got a wee book here. Have I finished it? What book are we on? Oh no, I've not started that. Get this wee book here to read. I might read it. Somebody in a campsite in Albufeira gave me that. We swapped some books, so I get this one. He got a Stephen King book off me, so I'm gonna give that a wee read. That's what it's called. I think it's the guy's first book. It's supposed to be really good. Bill Beverley, the fella's called. So aye, maybe start that tonight. And there's a big kind of loop walk I want to do in the morning. In fact, what time is it? It's only 5:30 in the evening. So I'll get a wee this wee loop walk I want to do tomorrow, and I want to check out a couple of wee spots for in the future. So anyway, I'm rambling on again. So I'll probably see you in the morning. Why am I talking like Sean Connery? I need to stop that. I don't know if you can hear that wind and rain, but it's rough, it's biblical. I don't know where it's came from, man. I'm getting a wee bit scared that the van's going to blow over. It's that bad. But it's too late to go and try and find somewhere secluded and sheltered. I just head home. I'm actually concerned that the van's going to blow over. It's that bad. Try and get back to sleep. I know. I'll try and get back to sleep. There you go. There you go. Oh. Well, good morning. That has to be the worst night I've ever had in that van. I bought that van 14 years ago. It took me about three or 4 months to convert it. And last night was terrible. Normally I get a good night's sleep, a really good night's sleep, but last night was rough. The wind, I've seriously never been in the van when the wind's been as bad as that. That was just brutal. And now it's still, no breath of wind. Unbelievable. Anyway, we survived. We made it. I beat my nemesis. Right, so down there is where I was going to park. I was going to park the van down here, next to that wee stream, but it looks like that wee stream has now flooded, so I'm pretty glad that I didn't park down there. So I think what we'll do is we'll go a walk down there, take Ted down to the bit that I was going to park, and I'll show you. I'm quite thankful that I didn't park down there. It's a cracking morning, to be fair. Okay, it's no sunny, it's very cloudy, but it's nice and fresh. Aye, so that was definitely a rough night, the worst I've ever had. Let's go a wee walk down here. That was terrible. Seriously, at one point, I thought I was going to have to go home around about midnight. But no, I persevered, and I think I fell asleep again about 1 a.m. and then I woke up at 5, so I was in a deep sleep then, so the wind must have died down a bit. But oh, that was bad. It's really flooded down here. I was going to park down here yesterday, next to that wee stream. I'm kind of glad I didn't. Kind of glad I've got my old wellies on today. Ted, come on. It's a boy. Holy moly. That's the road. It now begs the question, how am I going to get out of here? Because that's the road I need to go up there, and basically, shit. I don't know if my wellies are going to be. Oh, that's deep. Oh, don't fall, Stuart. Ted, don't pull me. There we go, we made it, I think. Now we have a problem. This is a road. Shit. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to get out of here. Right, so that's where I was going to park. I was going to park in there. I think I parked the van there yesterday on the way in, and I put the drone up from that wee car park there. Just shows you the volume of the rain we had last night. So glad I didn't park in there, by the way. I would have been stuck, definitely. But anyway, who would have thought yesterday it was really frosty. It was about 1 degree when I stopped here last night. And now, it's clear skies, and that rain just... I really should check the weather forecast before I leave. I never do, unless there's a well-publicised storm coming in. But I think in the future, I will be checking the weather forecast. Right, let's try and get out of here. Aye. It's definitely went down a good bit, so that's good. Aye, it's not too bad. Could have been worse. Aye, so we made it out. The water has definitely went down a good bit since I flew the drone over. So that'll be the end of this week's video. If you've enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed and you like what you've seen, please consider subscribing, because it does help the channel. And leave a wee comment if you've enjoyed it. I know it's just generic camping in a van, but hey, I hope you've enjoyed it anyway. Take it easy. Thanks for your time and I'll see you next time.